is your online auntie here. You know I bring you updates steadily, back to back. If you are not following me on this platform, I don't know what the color of your problem is. See, there is an app that is launching on the 25th of this month. The funniest part about it is that you are investing with Naira and you are, should I loud it with Mike? And you are withdrawing in dollars. If you are not excited, I don't know what can excite you again. No, just rush now to my DM and ask me how far, and ask me online auntie, please, what is it? Rush now to my DM. If you snooze on this one, my dear, you are going to lose big time. It is called PERITIA, and you are just registering with 5,000 Naira, while you'll be withdrawing in dollars, back to back to back to back. And the best part of this whole thing is that when you are among the first set of people to join any platform, you gain the most. When you are among the first set of people to join any platform whatsoever online, you gain the most. So what are you waiting for? Rush to my DM now and come and book your slots. It is 5,000 Naira. Shikini money for suya. Don't allow your 5,000 Naira to deprive you of getting money in dollars. I'm sure you know what exchange rate is now, right? See you.